Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. As you know, this video is starting off very different than my usual introduction, but that's okay. So today I am going to show you how I remove my makeup. I know not everyone wears it, but if you do and if you don't, stay tuned and give me your feedback. Tell me if the technique I used is something that you will use or have used before. So let's just get straight into it. Honest wipes, and just remove any of the makeup that I have, just like as a base. Can you see that? Okay, so then I like to take another baby wipe and I like to grab some Vaseline and just like put it on the wipe. And then I like to take my eye makeup off, especially if I have eyeliner, because it's very hard to come off. So let me do that. I use a baby wipe, but you can also use a cotton swab. I use Vaseline to correct mistakes when I'm applying my makeup and also when I'm perfecting my wing eyeliner. Besides removing makeup and cleaning up makeup, Vaseline is really good to help moisturize, soften, and smooth your skin. So again, just make sure that I remove any and all of the product. So look at that. Oh gosh. The next step now is cleansing your face. You really want to make sure that you remove all makeup, since makeup can clog your pores. Whether you cleanse and then exfoliate or even use a mask, it's important to follow up with your daily skincare routine. Now, I do have a discount code for this skincare system that I am using to cleanse and exfoliate my skin. I'll leave the link down in the description box. Now that my face is all fresh and clean, the next step is just to moisturize. Now, I don't do this technique every time. I do add another step, and I will be dropping that video next Sunday, so stay tuned for that, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And now let's finish this off. Make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you leave a comment, and also hit the bell so that you never miss when I make another video.